Welcome to Money Home. In this video, we are comparing 20 Amazon machines that can help you create, customize, package, or sell products from home. Stay until the end, because some of these machines may surprise you with what they can help you create, and one of them might be exactly the kind of starting point you were looking for. The direct Amazon links are in the description and in the pinned comment. At number 20, the Nostalgia Cotton Candy Machine is a simple way to turn a countertop setup into something that feels fun, visual, and easy to understand. The listing says it works with Nostalgia Cotton Candy kits, flossing sugar and hard candy, so it can support different treat ideas without needing a complicated setup. For small events, parties, school activities, or local pop-up style offers, that matters because the product itself creates a little show while it is being used. It comes with 2 reusable cones, 1 sugar scoop, and 1 extractor head, and the suction cup feet are designed to add stability while it runs. The unit also disassembles for faster cleaning, which is important if you are making multiple batches. Before buying, check the current Amazon page for what is included and whether the compact size fits your space. This is not a full commercial candy stand, but it can be a fun starter machine for small treat-based ideas. At number 19, the Amazon Basics Thermal Laminator Machine is the kind of tool that does not look flashy, but can be very useful for simple service-based work. It laminates documents up to 9 inches wide and can handle legal paper, letter paper, photos, and similar materials. That makes it practical for menus, classroom materials, business signs, product cards, checklists, or small custom print jobs. The listing says it includes the laminator and 2 3mm laminating pouches, and it is compatible with 3mm or 5mm pouches. The 2 heat settings help match normal documents, photos, cardstock, or thinner papers, while the quick 3 to 5 minute warm-up keeps the workflow from feeling slow. There is also a jam release lever for clearing paper jams. Before buying, check the pouch sizes and read the manual, because clean laminated results depend on using the right thickness and letting the machine warm up fully. At number 18, the Neon Bluetooth label printer is useful if your home business idea involves shipping, packaging, or selling products through online platforms. The listing says it works with Amazon, eBay, Shopify, UPS, Etsy, PayPal, Poshmark, DHL, and more, which makes it relevant for people who want a cleaner order fulfillment workflow. It supports USB connectivity with Mac OS, Windows 7 and above, Chrome OS, and Linux, and it includes a built-in USB drive with drivers and tutorial videos for setup. The compact size, listed at 17 by 3, 9 by 3, 43 inches, makes it easier to store on a desk or packing table. It also supports paper widths from 1, 5 to 4, 2 inches, and includes 10 test printing papers. Before buying, check the app workflow and platform requirements, because the listing notes that labels may need to be saved as PDF files before importing them into the Flash Label Pro app. At number 17, the SteamFast Digital Steam Press fits home-based ideas that involve clothing, fabric preparation, resale, tailoring support, or cleaner presentation before delivery. The listing says the 10-ounce Easy Fill water tank heats up in 3 minutes, which helps when you need to process multiple garments or fabric pieces without waiting too long. It has digital controls with 5 fabric presets: nylon, silk, wool, cotton, and linen. That makes it easier to match the press to different materials instead of guessing. The extra-wide non-stick pressing plate measures 25 by 10, 5 inches, giving more coverage than a small handheld iron. It also includes a spray bottle, pressing cushion, and measuring cup, which are useful accessories when preparing different items. The built-in auto shutoff adds a safety layer if the press is left idle. Before buying, check the voltage requirements, because the listing says it is built, certified, safety tested, and warranted for use only in the U.S. At number 16, the Ninja Creamy is a strong idea for anyone interested in custom frozen dessert concepts, recipe testing, or small batch treat creation. The listing describes it as a 7-in-1 ice cream maker with one-touch programs for ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshake, smoothie bowl, light ice cream, and mix-in. The main appeal is control. You can prepare your own base, freeze it for 24 hours, and then process it in minutes, which gives room to test different flavors, dietary styles, and mix-ins. Ninja's Creamify technology is designed to shave through a uniformly frozen pint and turn it into smooth, textured frozen desserts. The mix-in program can distribute chocolate chips, candy, nuts, fruit, cookies, and more through the pint. Cleanup is also important, and the listing says the pint containers, storage lids, and creamerizer paddle are top-rack dishwasher safe. Before buying, check pint compatibility carefully, because this unit only works with specific NC 299 and NC 300 series accessories. At number 15, the Takes meat slicer machine is useful for food prep workflows where consistent slicing can save time and improve presentation. The listing says it has a 200W motor and can cut cooked meat, raw meat, cheese, bread, vegetables, and fruits. For a home kitchen, catering prep, sandwich ideas, snack boxes, or small food presentation work, repeatable slicing can make the finished product look much more professional. It includes a safety lock and power button that must be pressed at the same time to start, which helps reduce accidental operation. The thickness dial is adjustable from ultra-thin to about 3/4 inch thick, so you can adapt slices to different foods. It also includes two 7/5 stainless steel blades, one serrated and one non-serrated. The blade, food carriage, slide rod extension, and food pusher are removable for cleaning. Before buying, check cleaning time, storage space, and food safety requirements for your exact use. At number 14, the Centro knitting machine is built around a simple idea: turn yarn into handmade-style items faster than doing everything manually. The listing says this 48-needle knitting machine can create flat or round stitches with a hand crank, and it is designed to be friendly for beginner knitters. That makes it interesting for small custom product ideas like hats, scarves, socks, and handmade gifts. It is made from environmentally friendly high-quality plastic, and the listing describes it as odorless, safe, reliable, and durable. The biggest advantage is speed. Instead of spending a long time on each piece by hand, the machine can help you test designs and produce repeatable accessories more efficiently. It is listed for adults and suitable for children over 12 years of age, so supervision and realistic expectations matter. Before buying, check yarn compatibility, instructions, and whether you want to make round items, flat pieces, or both. At number 13, the Lushium electric chocolate melting machine is aimed at people who want to make dip treats, cocoa bombs, chocolate decorations, fondue-style items, or small party sweets. The listing says it has 2 heat settings to melt chocolate quickly and keep it warm for dipping. Capacity matters here, and this model offers a 4-cup capacity, listed as 17.6 ounces, so it can handle larger batches than a tiny melting cup. For 3.5 cups of chocolate, the listing says it takes about 15 minutes, while smaller 2.5-cup batches can take about 10 minutes. The insert pot is made from food-grade silicone, and cleanup is designed to be simple because leftover chocolate can be pushed out from the silicone bowl. The insert pot can go in the dishwasher, while the handle and heating base can be wiped with a hot towel. Before buying, check whether the capacity matches your treat volume and packaging workflow. At number 12, the Uxunly electric crepe maker is a more serious food prep tool for people thinking about crepes, pancakes, tortillas, egg rolls, grilled bacon, or food stall-style offers. The listing says it uses a 1700W heating system and a 16-inch cooking plate for fast, consistent results. It also has adjustable temperature control from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, or 50 to 300 degrees Celsius, which gives flexibility for different recipes. The cooking plate is thickened cast iron with a non-stick coating, designed to prevent sticking, simplify flipping, and make cleanup easier with a soft brush or cloth. The body is heavy-duty stainless steel, and 4 non-slip feet help keep it stable on the countertop. The listing says it is suitable for commercial use in restaurants, snack bars, and food stalls. Before buying, check your available space, power setup, recipe plan, and whether you are comfortable working with a hot, open griddle. At number 11, the dental vacuum forming machine is more specialized than many items in this ranking, but that is exactly why it stands out. The listing says it has a heavy-duty vacuum motor for precise downward suction and a symmetrical heating system for uniform heat distribution. It is designed to work with dental thermoplastics and is listed as suitable for a wide range of clinical applications. For someone exploring technical molding, lab-style work, retainers, trays, or learning how forming machines operate, this type of tool gives a very different workflow than simple craft equipment. The adjustable, rust-resistant body can accommodate various materials, and the non-rotating sliding frame is meant to make operation easier and less stressful. Because this is a specialized machine, it is not something to buy casually. Before buying, check the intended materials, safety requirements, training needs, and whether your use is personal, educational, or professional. The business angle here depends heavily on proper skill and compliance. At number 10, the HT Vront hat press machine is built for custom cap and hat projects, especially if you want to work with heat transfer vinyl. The listing says it uses a one-piece cast aluminum heating plate, which is designed for more even heat distribution than silicone heating plates used in some other hat presses. Even heating is important because hats are curved, textured, and harder to press cleanly than flat shirts or bags. This machine includes two platens, one measuring 5 by 3 inches, and another measuring 5 by 5 inches. The listing says the improved curvature and widths help it fit 99% of hat shapes without wrinkles, although it recommends ironing the hat flat before heat pressing. That gives room for custom cap ideas, local team merch, event hats, branded gifts, or small made-to-order products. Before buying, check the type of hats you plan to use, the vinyl or transfer material, and how many pieces you expect to make per session. At number 9, the Nelirho propane smelting furnace kit is for people interested in metal casting, jewelry making, recycling, or more hands-on workshop projects. The listing says it includes a 12 kg graphite crucible with built-in pouring spout, ingot mold, dual crucible tongs, fire brick, and gloves. That gives a more complete starting setup than buying the main furnace by itself. It uses a 30 psi propane regulator and a 135,000 BTU burner, and the listing says it can reach up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit for melting gold, silver, copper, aluminum, brass, and other non-ferrous metals. The dual tongs are designed for lifting and pouring, helping with crucible handling and controlled metal pouring. This is a serious tool, so safety is the main point. Before buying, check ventilation, protective gear, material compatibility, local rules, and whether you have a proper workspace. It can support creative products, but only if the process is handled carefully. At number 8, the PYY Rice Noodle Roll Steamer Machine is a focused food machine for making rice noodle rolls and snack-style menu items. The listing says you add water through the top cover, and within minutes, you can make rice noodle rolls. The dual trays are important because they allow more continuous cooking, which can help if you are preparing multiple servings or testing a small food concept. It is made from stainless steel and has listed dimensions of 8 by 11, 4 by 6, 5 inches with an item weight of 8 pounds. That makes it more compact than many food machines, but still specific enough to create a recognizable product. For home cooks, food enthusiasts, or someone exploring small snack offers, a dedicated steamer like this can make the workflow more consistent. Before buying, check recipe requirements, cleaning steps, kitchen space, and whether your local food rules allow selling prepared foods from home. At number 7, the manual paste liquid filling machine becomes interesting when your product idea involves bottles, jars, tubes, or small containers. The listing says it has an adjustable filling range from 5 to 50 milliliters and uses food-grade 304 stainless steel material for paste and liquids with good fluidity, as long as there is no particulate matter. Suggested materials include shampoo, gel, body wash, essential oil, and lip gloss. That opens the door to more organized small batch filling instead of using funnels and guessing each container by hand. The A03 Pro version comes with shelf brackets, so the bottle can sit on the shelf while filling. It also has a scale reference for setting the filling volume and an anti-drip function. The hopper is detachable, and parts in contact with materials are listed as food-grade silicone, food-grade PTFE, and 304 stainless steel. Before buying, check viscosity, cleaning needs, and whether your product type fits the machine. At number 6, the Hanshin powder filling machine is designed for small products that need measured powder, grains, seeds, hardware parts, glitter, or similar materials. The listing says it can fill from 0.5 to 100 grams and includes a foot pedal, which can make repetitive filling easier when you are working through bags or bottles. The double vibration design uses strong magnetic vibration feeding and vibrating motor discharging to reduce material residue and improve filling accuracy. It also has an external storage hopper with a transparent visual window, so you can observe the material discharging inside instead of opening the machine constantly. For safety and durability, the listing mentions double fuses, 3-wire plugs, and a dust-proof protective shell that helps isolate the main board from flying dust. This can be useful for teas, craft powders, glitter packs, seed packs, or small measured products. Before buying, test whether your exact material flows well, because powder behavior changes a lot by texture and moisture. And number 5, the Vever Button Maker is a strong fit for personalized products, event merch, school projects, small craft shops, or custom gift ideas. The listing describes it as a 3-in-1 upgraded version that can make badges in 25, 32, and 58mm sizes. It can also craft items like mirrors, keychains, bottle openers, fridge magnets, and pin buttons. That flexibility matters because you are not locked into one product style. It is beginner-friendly, with no installation hassle, and the die end includes alignment scales to help line up patterns. The ergonomic arc handle is designed to save effort and improve stability and success rate when making badges. The main body is made of high-strength ABS material, and this version includes 300 button parts. The listing also mentions a Mr. Panda Magic Book with colorful patterns, black and white patterns, and blank pages. Before buying, check refill part costs, compatible sizes, and whether you want to print your own designs. Number 4, the Acmeer S1 laser engraver is where the ranking starts to feel much more like a serious custom product setup. The listing says it has a 6000 MW diode laser, 48W machine output, 455 nm wavelength, and a 2 mm focal length for fine accuracy. It can engrave on wood, bamboo, leather, plastic, PCB, aluminum oxide, ceramics, and more, and it can cut thin plywood, MDF, and acrylic. That opens up ideas like personalized signs, small gifts, custom tags, craft pieces, and branded items. The working area is 130 by 130 millimeters, so this is best for smaller projects, not huge boards. It arrives 99% pre-assembled, with a 1-minute laser head installation, and it is compatible with Mac OS, Windows, Linux, Lightburn, and Laser GRBL. The listing also mentions Acme Studio software with AI design tools. Before buying, check safety, ventilation, material compatibility, and whether the workspace size fits the products you want to make. At number 3, the Fox Alien Masseter Pro CNC router machine is a bigger step for people who want to work with wood, acrylic, MDF, nylon, routing, milling, carving, and engraving. The listing says it has an all-metal framework and a linear rail Z-axis for better precision, durability, and stability. That matters because CNC work depends on controlled movement and repeatable results. It includes a dust-resistant controller box with accessible emergency stop and home buttons, which helps the machine feel more practical during real use. It also includes 2 spindle clamps, 52mm and 65mm, compatible with 60W and 300W spindles, with upgrade options for more advanced carving. The main parts are pre-assembled, with pre-wired wiring to the controller, and the listing says setup can take about 10 to 15 minutes. The working area is 400 by 400 by 60 millimeters. Before buying, check software, bits, dust control materials, and how much learning time you can realistically invest. At number 2, the Einer Auto Tumbler Heat Press Machine is one of the most direct tools in this video for custom drinkware. The listing says it can auto-press and rotate to achieve 360-degree seamless sublimation, then auto-release after completion. That is useful for small batch production because it saves the time of manually operating in the middle of the press. It supports 11 to 32-ounce cups with diameters from 2.55 to 3 inches, including mugs, tumblers, glassware cups, water bottles, and sippy cups. The adjustable pressure is designed to help with even pressing, and the digital control panel lets you track temperature from 0 to 400 and countdown time from 0 to 600 seconds. It also has 4 memory modes, including auto-rotation modes for straight skinny tumblers and glasses, plus a non-rotation mode for mugs with handles. Before buying, check cup compatibility, sublimation supplies, heat settings, and whether any optional pads are needed separately. And at number 1, the Vever 4-in-1 heat press machine takes the top spot because heat pressing is one of the clearest paths into custom products. The listing focuses on hats and says it has a larger 8.5 by 4-inch heating plate or 21.5 by 10 centimeters, designed to fit a variety of hat styles such as berets, baseball caps, bucket hats, peaked caps, and bonnets. The high-temperature resistant aluminum plate is coated with Teflon, which helps reduce adhesion and makes the surface easier to clean. It is made with aluminum, Teflon, and rubber, and the listed product dimensions are 19, 69 by 10, 16 by 14, 25 inches. For a home-based setup, this type of machine can support custom caps for local events, niche brands, gifts, small teams, or made-to-order designs. Before buying, check exactly which attachments are included on the current listing, what blanks you plan to use, and whether your transfer materials match the press temperature and pressure needs. That was the full list of 20 Amazon machines that could support realistic home-based product ideas, service ideas, or small custom workflows. Remember, the right machine depends on your space, your materials, your skill level, and the type of customer offer you actually want to build. Check the current Amazon pages carefully before buying, because details and included accessories can change. The direct links for every product are in the description and in the pinned comment. If this video helped you find a useful starting point, subscribe to Money Home for more practical Amazon machines and home business tools. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.